GIS is now an enterprise system. Many of your companies are deploying it in the same patterns they deploy their other enterprise systems. When you start pushing the technology in that way, you reduce the barriers for startup for all the departments in your organization. This allows you to truly leverage the data resources that you're managing and publishing across so many new workflows. And when you take that next step to kind of opening it up to the citizen developer, even more becomes possible, because anybody who's trying to solve a challenge in their part of the business can pick up the services, pick up the technology, and really do amazing things with it. As it starts getting used in this way, it means we need more integration. It means we need more interconnection with the other technologies your company is using. And Esri continues to push the system forward to meet those needs. As we take on these new patterns, we have to follow the changes in the technology capabilities. You're seeing us start to put out the cloud native. You heard Kubernetes from BP. The machine learning and AI capabilities are ever expanding. We're going to talk about many of these this morning and tell you a bit about where we are and where we're headed. These geo-enabled systems are now possible to use the technology and the data within our stack or quickly integrate with other technologies you use day to day. Very exciting times. Of course, as your technology stack evolves and grows, so does your data needs. The new capabilities introduced so far mean we need to support more and more formats: tabular data, real-time data, imagery, unstructured information, 3D, BIM, multi-dimensional. All of this data we need to be able to natively support as much as possible, or through partners like FME, be able to integrate with and bring that data in and push that data back. It's really an impressive set of capabilities when you put together all of these enterprise tools deployed in an enterprise pattern where it's open to all your users and all the data formats we can support along the way. Just think about what you can do with all of that. Or better yet, maybe let's just take a tour and show you some of these things. So I want to step back a little bit, back to where I started in my career, and maybe many of you as well, and that's making maps. Cartography is still key to everything we do in the geospatial world, putting together information. They say an image is worth 1,000 words. I would argue a map is worth 1,000,000. If you get the information presented in the right way, your business can make decisions, gain insights, and do analytics that they may have never thought of before. A key improvement in this area that I'm so excited about is the automated map and chart production. When I was working in the field, we managed huge libraries of offshore navigation charts, and it was a lot of manual processing to make that happen. We're hearing you, and we're adding these improvements to make sure you can produce and manage map libraries like that in a much more efficient way. The Carto improvements don't stop at the desktop. We're doing more and more online. As you guys deploy Portal, as you leverage ArcGIS Online, you want smart mapping on the web. We've brought that forward. What that means is almost anybody in your organization can make a really nice product. And that leverages the data services you've already invested in, the services that you've already made available to serve so many new workflows that may not have happened before when it was hard to get over that kind of making a good presentation. Smart forms are dynamic, they're data-driven cartography, and there's several intelligent defaults that just fit with the data you're trying to show. So it's really exciting to see these enhancements coming both on desktop and on the web for cartography.